Want your website to feel more interactive and modern? Wix lets you create flip cards with custom animations inside Wix Studio. No heavy coding needed. Open your project in Wix Studio and start by adding a container or box that will act as your card. Inside it, design the front side, like an image, title, or icon, and the back side, like description or button. Next, select the container and go to the Animations and Interactions panel. Choose a trigger such as hover or click, depending on how you want the card to flip. Then, apply a flip animation, usually rotating on the X-axis or Y-axis. Adjust the speed, easing, and direction so the flip feels smooth and natural. Finally, preview your site and test the interaction on desktop and mobile, making adjustments if needed before publishing. Now you know how to create flip cards with custom animations in Wix Studio and make your website more interactive. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.